All right, guys, so we are going to just read about the 5 food groups, and then there's a little activity that we'll do on live worksheets. So we are just going to read this quick little thing, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the live worksheet. So there are 5 main food groups that you should eat every day. When you eat a variety of foods from each group, you will get the nutrition you need to stay healthy and grow tall and strong as you should be. Here are some examples of items from each group. So the groups are grains, dairy, protein, vegetables, and fruits. So an example of grains are like bread, rice, pasta, and oatmeal. Dairy is cheese, milk, and yogurt. Protein can be fish, chicken, eggs, and nuts. Examples of vegetables can be carrots, peas, or broccoli. And then fruits like apples, bananas, and oranges. So you guys are going to actually draw a line to each of these that match. So dairy, fruits, vegetable, grains, and protein. So let me show you what that looks like. So when you guys do it, you'll be able to draw a line like that. So go ahead and go over to live worksheets and make sure that you turn it into my email, which is jefffersonti, the @ pcsb.org. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions.